So here we're going to look at the methods of arranging. I'm just going to show you stuff in Logic using blank MIDI parts. I'm not actually going to use any audio for this. So first we can look at the visual score. I've taken one of them as an example. This is the T-Con track. It's a new remix. For now we can ignore the segments that are marked here are not quite accurate. This is 16 bars, this length as a scale. And we can see here, this is more accurate. This is the spectrogram. So just as a very quick analysis, this length is 16 bars. So this is 16 bars here of the intro. This is the 16 bars more of the intro. You can see the bass beginning here. This is the low frequency. This is the high frequency parts. We have another section of about 16 bars with a build-up. We're adding more elements. Another section, 16 bars, where it's driving. And another section, 16 bars, where it's then falling down into the breakdown. There is a synth part that comes in here that overlaps, that brings it into the breakdown. The breakdown you can see in comparison to that, it's about 16 bars, maybe 24 bars, and maybe 8, something like that. Then here we have another 16 bar section, and then another, let's say 24 bars here, the small breakdown, and then looks like 8 and 8. It's probably another 16 bars there, because this spectrogram, there's a bug in my software that it doesn't render the end of the file correctly at this resolution. So the track is actually this long. It goes down to here. So you're looking at 16 bars and 16 bars at the end. So that's just a quick overview. Okay, so let's compare to the score. So what I've done is this section, I've created just one element, which is 16 bars. So we're going to use 16 bars as a kind of a standard length. I'm just going to call this sections, just as a guide, just to show what parts we're going to work with or how long they are. That's it. I mean, that would be the very, very basic arrangement of that T-Con track. We have our intro part, another part of the intro with the bass, and then we have three sections, 16 bars with kick, bass, whatever, driving, adding up. Here it's breaking down a little bit. We add another synth here, goes into the breakdown, 2 16 bar sections, or you could say 1 32 bar section here, basically about 8 bars of a break. Another 16 bar section. After 8 bars, we have the hats, I guess, come in again. A 124 bar section, which builds. This is the main climax. And then here for the DJ to mix out again, we have 16 bars, and coming down in the last section. So now we have this in our sequencer here as a guide, as a general guide. It means then we can start to write and fill out the details